Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the advanced search feature on X. So type in what you want to search for first, and then you're going to select the three dots here. Then you're going to select advanced search, and you're going to type in, I'm going to type in like fire, and then you can also type in the exact phrase, any of these words. Accounts, from whose account to these account, I'm just going to type in my user to Jerry Trainer. I don't know. It should be there. Then you can filter replies, etc., etc. The date as well. Then I'm just going to select search. There's none because I think I used my old account for it. But that's pretty much it. I don't remember my old account, so I'll have to look that up later. But you can basically advanced search here. You can also save your search here as well. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.